Hi. It's pretty unusual here. Sometimes it feels like someone's watching me.
You see a lot of stuff on trains.
Why it feels like we standing still. Do you feel it?
Maybe you imagined it.
Could I have a cocktail, please, with less ice?
Of course.
Great, just the way I like it.
Quite a remarkable train, isn't it? And there's absolutely nothing unusual about it.
This train isn't quite as simple as it seems.
Give me milk, give me milk, give me milk, give me milk.
All right,
You're finished.
Well, hello, Jimmy. Did you think I wouldn't find you? I haven't forgotten about you. I will come for you anyway, no matter where you are, Jimmy.
Keep the suitcase safe. After your shift, they'll know what to do with it. Do not open it in any circumstance.
okay. Help!
Delicious.
The food here is so bad. Good thing the bar is at least decent.
I haven't seen a cafeteria here.
They don't even provide shawarma here. I hope we arrive early.
I hope so.
Can you give me a juice, some milk, and top it up with a cookie?
Right away, sir.
This is excellent. It's just the way my mum made it.
Wow, such a creepy atmosphere here. Are you not scared being here a whole night?
I'm used to it.
We would like some coffee and maybe some snack. Cookie, if you have some.
1 minute.
Thank you.
What's up, buddy? Listen carefully and don't ask me questions. The thing inside the suitcase, it's a lock, and this train has been feeding it for a very long time. If you left it sealed, there may still be a way to stop all of this on the 5th night. When you wake up somewhere wrong, listen to the heartbeat and free the train.
What? I don't understand. I'm sorry, I misunderstood.
Hey, handsome. Will you serve a lovely lady?
Of course.
Me some juice, please.
Sure.
Thanksy.
Hi, I barely made it onto the train. I'm completely worn out, like after rehearsals. It's unbearably stuffy in here.
Good luck with your performance.
Most people here seem kind of weird. And also this creepy girl, she sometimes stares at me.
You're just overthinking.
Give me something refreshing with as little sugar as possible. I'm on a diet.
I'll take care of it right away.
It's really delicious. Just what I needed. Thanks.
Good afternoon, kid. It's my first time riding a train like this. Everything seems normal, yet somehow it doesn't.
Good afternoon. Many people say that.
I travel a lot because of my business and decided to take train for the first time to observe the country. The weather outside reminds me of home.
Very strange.
Please, pour me some coffee, my friend.
That would be $15.
Thanks, man.
Hello.
I think you should get some rest.
Give me a coffee and cookie.
Sure.
Friendship is magic. Thanks, man.
Hello, bartender. My name is Ronnie. I've seen all kinds of things in my life, but here I feel unprotected.
I feel the same way. Sometimes a strange voice whispers incoherent words.
Could I please have some milk and water?
Sure.
Thank you, bartender.
Oh, Jesus. I barely see anything in all this dark. What even is this?
I'm a bartender. How can I help you?
You still know too little.
I work here as a waiter. I barely walk, but it still hurts to be on my feet all day. I think you'll understand.
Yeah, I understand you.
Pour me some water and give me some cookies. I haven't been able to eat properly all day. Thanks, human.
Hello. I decided to travel a bit, but I feel like I got on the wrong train. Or maybe not.
It's not that easy to get in here.
Could I get a cocktail and some cookies? I'm a bit hungry.
Okay.
Thanks. It looks appetizing.
Hey, you're the new guy? Where's Jim?
I have no idea who's Jim.
He was a bartender. Funny ginger hair guy.
I guess he was fired.
Jim was stressed last time I've seen him. All right, pal. Can I get a coffee with a cookie, please?
One moment.
My favorite, thanks.
Hi, I clean up all the trash after your shift. Next time, try not to spill anything there. After I finish my shift, I will finish your miserable life.
Is it always this dark here? Kinda creepy.
The light bulb's working funny lately, I guess.
Do you have an orange juice? My boy wants something sugary.
That would be $10.
Thanks, sweetheart.
I see you. I see everything.
All right.
Your eye's gonna be mine soon.
Sorry, sir.
Good afternoon, colleague. Check out my mustache. It blows people's... You shouldn't have done that.
I feel quite depressed.
Why?
I have been dishonored. My ancestors would have cursed me. You wouldn't understand. Give me a cocktail and water.
Okay.
I'm tired from driving this train. I hope you've got some snacks. The restaurant is closed.
Aren't you supposed to be driving the train?
Give me some water and juice. I need to take my medicine.
1 minute.
Open up! I just want to place an order. What's wrong with you?
Hi, I'm on my way to a horror festival. I'm totally worn out from the trip. Hope I didn't scare you, buddy.
Nice costume.
I like how there are other cosplayers in the train. Like the ghost girl. She's really good with acting. When she stares at me, it gives me goosebumps.
You sure it's a costume?
Give me cookie and milk, please. And some water. And some cocktail. It's free, right?
Not sure about that.
Thank you, Mr. Bartender.
What a shame. I broke my instrument. My wife will kill me.
That's a shame.
Sometimes it seems to me that during my performance, I hear whispers.
Very strange.
Give me a cocktail. My head is splitting.
Of course, that'll be $20.
Thanks, buddy.
Even for me, this train is kind of strange. I'm probably too old for this train, or country.
Are you from Dallas? Have there been heavy rains?
And why does it matter to you, buddy?
I was just asking.
One glass of milk.
Sure.
Luck is on your side today.
Hello? Is someone there? The toilet is... There's biological warfare in here. Please, you must help. He's just sitting there.
Oh, Jesus. I barely see anything in all this dark. What even is this?
I'm a bartender. How can I help you?
Do you have some milk and cookies?
That would be $13.
Good job.
Brother, what is this bar? It looks pathetic. Also, it smells like dead bodies.
It is what it is.
The passengers in the next car are strange. These weirdos were...
Yeah, that's creepy.
Give me some juice. I haven't had any in ages. It'll remind me of good days.
Okay.
Thanks. I'll be back soon.
Give me some water, and hurry up, sweetheart.
1 minute.
Hi! I love seeing fresh bartender. I mean, juice. Or cocktail.
How can I help you?
I remember the previous one fainted when he saw my corpse.
Huh?
Next time, I won't tolerate it. And it'll cost you dearly. Hi, Bard. Tender?
It's bartender.
Oh,
I will suck your brains out of your ears while you sleep.
Stay calm, bartender. I'm not here for you. There's a prisoner wandering around somewhere. I need him.
Understood. If I see anything, I'll let you know.
Give me a glass of water and some cookies. The trip is long, long way.
Okay.
Thanks. Stay well.
I'm so tired of these trips my boss sends me on. The company bought me a ticket for this train. Looks like they decided to save money.
Bet they did.
The weather outside is breathtaking, but the window in my compartment is making strange noises.
Probably broke down.
Just give me a coffee and cookie, please.
Sure.
Thank you. It's nice to be able to talk to someone sometimes.
Your shift is over. Remarkable, I must say. This train is a bridge between us and them. Many have stood behind that counter. Most shatter like cheap glass when the passengers decide to reveal their true faces. But you accommodated. Some would call it luck. I prefer to call it a successful audition. We have taken a keen interest in your services. I have taken the liberty of extending your contract. We have another route in mind.